It is a proud day for Barry. We have here an interdisciplinary, interprofessional disaster management exercise that is bringing in all the pillars of all the health professions under the College of Health Professions and Medical Sciences. We have students and faculty from the School of Podiatric Medicine, Foot and Ankle Surgery, School of Nursing, School of Mental Health and Social Work, Physician Assistant Program, the Academy of Emergency Management Services, the Program of Occupational Therapy, Sports and Exercise Sciences, and Clinical Laboratory Sciences. All you have here, all the students and faculty coming in together into an interdisciplinary world, which is the real world of healthcare.
Part of our curriculum is partaking in an OSCE where we do real life situations. We're giving patients where they come in with different podiatric emergencies, non-emergent cases, and we're able to work those up. So this is basically another OSCE for us where we have these patients come in as actors, we work them up, we prepare them for surgery, we prepare them for what life will look like after their injury, and then go from there. So it's really given us that real life situation that we'll have to see in the ER and as physicians.
We are training our next generation of healthcare providers to be ready for the complexity of treating our communities, our patients, both locally, statewide, nationally, and even internationally.
The ability for us to do a simulation about it makes it so that when it truly happens, we'll be more prepared. So I think in the future, if I see it again, I'll know a little bit more what to do about it, rather than just going in there cold.
It is very important to expose our students to hands-on. We know that every school, they have the book knowledge, they have the didactic knowledge. They also do simulations individually in their units, but to bring them together in a real life disaster, in a real life environment, it is very important. This gives them empowerment, it gives them authority, and it gives them support to be ready to go out there and work in the world of healthcare.
It's an ecosystem, we're all involved, and especially for the EMS guys to kind of see these serious scenarios before going out there, I think it's really great experience, especially from a performance psychology standpoint.
Simulations like this really help us prepare for the unknown and what could possibly happen. So I think it's really good for us to get some hands-on experience and see that maybe the things that we've learned by book may not happen by book and happen in real life settings.